Hey, it's Cliff, and sorry I've been MIA for a little bit. My job picked up, unfortunately, and I've been working 12-hour shifts, and even at this point, I've only had about 4 hours of sleep. So if I seem a little bit off or stumble through this a little bit, just know I'm tired. But I felt this information was important to get out because it is time sensitive, and a lot of people were concerned about their solo airdrop. So just to get into it, the solo distribution has happened. So if you have not received your solo, most likely something was wrong with the trust line you set up. So just to give you some numbers, there was 300,027,896 transactions were executed for this airdrop, and that increased the current circulating supply of solo to almost 400 million. So if you haven't received your airdrop, this is where you're gonna want to pay attention. So it says during the distribution, 9,141 addresses lacked a proper trust line set or had their trust line removed after the snapshot. This has caused the system not to be able to complete the transfer. So what they've done is they took they made a list of these 9,000 addresses. So I'm gonna put this down in the description, and what you're going to do to see if you're still eligible to get the airdrop is you're going to do a control F, or if you're on a Mac, command F, and just search for your public address in here. If you're in this list, you still have another chance to get the solo airdrop. It just means something was wrong with your trust line, or you canceled your trust line after the snapshot, so they weren't able to deliver the tokens to you. So if you want these tokens, you just need to go and look at your trust line, make sure the issuer is correct, make sure the currency is correct. I believe this also can be solo if it's not this hexadecimal number. And then also just verify that your limit is set. If this is your first time doing a trust line, maybe look for a really good YouTube video that can help you out. But that's the issue, is that something is wrong with your trust line. So troubleshoot that. If you want to leave some comments down below, maybe we can go through it and try to work some of these issues. But if you're in this list, you're still good to go. Now you need to troubleshoot this before February 4th, 8 p.m. UTC time. At that point, they're going to try and redistribute those tokens to the people who didn't get their tokens. So not all hope is lost if you're in the list, and hopefully you can still receive your tokens. Now, what a lot of people were doing, I noticed, is they were using an exchange to have them do the airdrop for you. So if you haven't received your tokens there, you possibly are still in the clear, because what Sologenic does is they issue the tokens to the exchange, and then the exchange has to figure out how they're going to issue the tokens to the users, so that everyone has a different process for that. Some people are going to get their tokens faster than others. It just depends on how the exchange is going to do that. And I have a list of all the exchanges here. So if you've used any of these exchanges for your airdrop, you're still good to go. You just got to give the exchanges time to figure out how they want to pursue distributing the airdrop. So if you got any questions, just comment down below and we'll try and work through any of the issues that you have. But this pretty much seems like the last chance you're going to have to get the solo airdrop. So hopefully everything's good to go. And thanks for watching.